Hello, this is Tuhin. Are you having problem with the monkey mind, or the mind is chattering too much? You are angry, frustrated, or something like that, and you cannot stop thinking, and it is creating suffering. So here's one solution: the pause way of talking. For example, we talk smoothly. Right now I'm talking to you in a smooth way. Now I slow it down. Now I am taking 5 seconds break while speaking every word. I am noticing my breath is deeper. See, I have paused in every word for 5 seconds or more. You can also do this and see that you will breathe better. You will slow down. The mind will slow down. This is a technique I learned from a teacher. It's an awesome one. You can try it like when you are riding by a bike or driving a car. You will first see a pole, say a word or a song word. Then after you reach the second pole, say another word. Slowly and steadily speak every word with a pause, and see the difference that the mind will start to become silent and your breath will come out. Try this technique, and please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. All the best.